Well, hello again. This is Carolyn with Balloon and Party. Now, today we're going to be making a simple water balloon. Now, if you have one of our easy DIY decorating kits, then you have some 11-inch balloons in that kit. So you just take one of your 11-inch balloons out of the kit. You'll or any 11-inch balloon, they're kind of average. So we're going to take the balloon, just going to stretch it over your water faucet, turn the faucet on, hold it securely, turn the faucet on, let it fill up to your desired size. You'll remove it from the faucet if this is a little big for your kids. So we're going to take them some, squirt it out, and you want it to be about the size of maybe an average lemon, and you'll tie it. This is your water balloon. Now, if you're using it to attach it to one of your columns, you're going to take one of the twisties out of your kit. And you may have twisties, you may have ribbon, depending on what you've ordered. You'll take the twisty and just take it and tie it around the knot. When you're attaching it to your column, you're just going to take the twisty and tie it onto the column. Make sure it's snug. And you tie it onto the column, and provides your weights for your column. Now today you've learned how to make a simple water balloon, and we thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you are interested in more do-it-yourself tips and tricks and how to make your do-it-yourself parties more fun, then please hit our subscribe button. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.